Getting back here real quick. Last but not least, we need to seal. So hand seal this stuff. So we got to go underneath here and put at least 4 quarter-size blobs on these and run down the side. Put these down, and further, if I just do that, you can see the granules sloughing off of this from where they got damaged from just doing very minimal manipulations just to get these nails out with the, even with the Roofsnake. I had to pat these back, but you can see the granules falling with the chalk dust. So imagine the rain comes through and everything else. It's definitely gonna make those way more prominent, but again, you can see them across there. All right.